It's 2026, and maybe this is a year you finally say, I'm done waiting. Not waiting for the perfect time, not waiting for more money, not waiting until you feel smart enough. You don't want fast money. You don't want risky tricks. You don't want to get rich by luck. You just want to do it right. You want to look back in 10 or 20 years and say, wow, I'm really glad I started when I did. But instead, you open an investing app and your brain shuts down. So many choices, so many letters, so many numbers, and everyone online sounds confident, but they all say different things. One person says, just buy this one. Another says, no, that one is trash. And deep down, you're thinking, what if I mess this up? What if I waste years? What if I choose wrong and never recover? That fear, that freezing, that quiet stress, that's why this video exists. My name is Richard. I teach the money lessons most of us were never taught. Not to be fancy, not to be rich overnight, but to build a life that feels calm and secure. If this video helps you think about money in a better way, tap the like button and subscribe. Not for me, for your future self. Now, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever stared at an investing screen and done nothing because you were scared to choose? If yes, you are not weak. You are normal. Most beginners make one simple mistake. They look at one number only. How much does it pay me right now? They see 1.6%, 2.5%, 3.8%, and they think higher is better. That feels logical. That feels safe. But here's the truth most people learn too late. The investment that pays you the most today is usually not the one that helps you the most later. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. It gives you fruit. Imagine right 2 trees, but it never grows bigger. Tree B gives you 1 small fruit today, but it grows taller every year. At first, Tree A looks better, but after many years, Tree B gives more fruit than you can even carry. Money works the same way, and if you don't understand this, nothing else in this video will help you. A dividend ETF is like a big basket. Inside that basket are many companies. Each company sends you small cash payments. Instead of buying 50 companies one by one, you buy one basket. Simple, easy, no stress. It's like buying a ready-made meal. Someone else did the hard work. You just enjoy the result. People love these because you get paid without selling. You don't have to guess. You don't have to watch the market every day. But here's what most people don't know. There are 2 very different kinds of dividend baskets, and choosing the wrong kind at the wrong time. Type 1, Pay Me Now funds. These give you more cash today. Big payments, fast reward, but the payments grow slowly, sometimes barely at all. Type 2, Grow With Me funds. These start small, but the payments grow every year. Slow at first, then faster, then powerful. Now think about jobs. Job A pays $50,000 forever. No raises. Job B starts at $30,000, but gives you a raise every year. At first, Job A feels smarter, but years later, Job B wins by a mile. Money follows the same rules. Most beginners choose Job A, and years later, they wonder why they're behind and cost you years. Let me tell you about Jerry. Jerry was 35, regular job, no special skills, no market timing. He invested $50,000 and did one smart thing. He didn't touch it. He split his money into 4 different funds, then turned on automatic reinvesting, then walked away. 8 years passed. Here's what he learned. Some funds felt boring. Some felt exciting. All taught him something. Lesson 1. Safety is calm, but slow. One fund was very safe, very steady, very boring. It doubled his money. Nice. But the payments grew slowly. Jerry felt calm, but not excited. Lesson 2. Growth feels scary but powerful. Another fund focused on growing companies. Tech, innovation, change. Some years were amazing. Some years were scary. But the payments grew fast. Really fast. Jerry realized, I don't need income now. I need growth. Lesson 3. Boring wins when times are bad. Another fund owned old, boring companies. The kind people ignore. When markets crashed, this one didn't panic. It just kept paying. That taught Jerry something important. Boring is protection. Lesson 4. Small today can mean huge tomorrow. The last fund paid the least. Almost nothing at first. Jerry almost skipped it. Big mistake. Over time, it grew better than the high-paying one. That small number, it didn't stay small. Compound growth is sneaky. You don't feel it. You don't see it. You don't notice it. Until one day, it's massive. A small payment growing fast beats a big payment growing slow. Every single time, but only if you give it time. That's why age matters more than anything else. If you're young, 20s, 30s, you don't need income. You need growth. Your weapon is time. Focus on funds that grow payments fast, even if they pay less now. If you're middle 40s, early 50s, mix growth with safety. Protect what you've built. Still grow. If you're near retirement, now income matters. Now safety matters more. You shift slowly. Not fast, not emotional. Just steady, like turning a steering wheel, not slamming the brakes. There is one button that decides if this works or fails. Dividend reinvestment. Every payment buys more shares. More shares create more payments. More payments buy more shares. It feeds itself. If you turn it off, you stop the magic. Turn it on. Forget it. Let time work. If you're 30, you earn a normal salary. You can invest a little each month. Here's all you do. Pick a simple mix. Automate it. Reinvest everything. Check once a year. That's it. No stress. No daily watching. No guessing. Boring works. Boring wins. Boring builds freedom. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The biggest risk is waiting. The biggest mistake is doing nothing. 2026 can be the year you stop guessing and start building. Your future self is watching. White heavy check mark, like the video. White heavy check mark, subscribe to Finance Tips and Education. White heavy check mark, share it for more videos like this. New videos every week on Finance Tips and Education. Simple money, smart choices, better future.